some of you.
Can I talk to him?
Who, Metatron?
Yeah.
Metatron's coming over to stick it in your shitter.
Well, good. I'm gonna call Metatron. Damn password on the phone.
What's your password on your phone?
Oh, I got it online. Let me call Metatron right now.
Put it down.
Speakerphone, brother.
I'll speak to him. What do I speak to?
I want to hear his voice.
It's like some punk rock sounding stuff.
It is a punk rock cover of the song Nothing Compares to You by Sinead O'Connor, which was originally done by Prince.
Metatron! What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Damn, he hung up on me. Let me see who else I can call.
Call John Clark!
Call Bessie!
Tell John.
Let me call Bessie.
Bessie's right here. Recorded, dumb fuck.
Hey, trying to give you a fucking high five.
High fives, high fives.
Let me
Ready?
call James Soley.
Who is that?